Hi, I am Melissa Medina and I will be starting my basic Photoshop tutorial. Here in this episode, I will show you how to import image into Raise. Second, I will show you the workspace, layer styles, and some basic tools like Move tool, Marker tool, Lasso tool, Crop, Brush, Zoom in and out, also the brush setting. What's the difference between smart objects and rasterize image? Okay, start by opening a new, and we can choose. We can rename this, and can rename and choose from the. We can choose from the presets here. Over here, basically, I use some of these, and for color mode, we can choose RGB for print output, and CMYK for web. We don't print it, and usually if it's in the web I would choose the CMYK at your hand resolution, and so you can actually type in what width and height we would prefer, and I usually use 16-bit for this, but for this is for portrait and landscape, and we can choose over here maybe let's say can choose this, just press enter or create, and then here we are in our canvas. We just have to click the layer, then we can unlock it. This is our menu. Here there's subfolder, and this is our color and swatch. We can customize it according to what we prefer, and just dragging it, and you can close it like that, and then I go to window and just click it. Let's swatches, and then just drag it back to there, and the move tool, you can see the shortcut is V, and then the marquee tool shortcut is M. You can actually see the shortcuts by looking at the tool, the icon rather, the magic selection tool and the crop tool, and what else, the zoom. You can actually zoom in and out by pressing your scroll. You can open an image in your recent, and then just drag it out in your canvas. Press Ctrl T for transform. Pressing Ctrl Alt will change into whichever you liked. You can tilt it down, and pressing Shift or Control A, you can select for the alignment, and then okay, just center that. So here we can turn into a smart object, but Control J will copy the layer, and Control J can convert into smart object, and to disappear that, just click the I button. It's like that, visible and invisible. You can change the name. I usually change the name, so when you have a lot of editing and layers, you can easily find it. And that's the brush, eraser. That's the difference between the rasterize and the smart object. You can erase, but a smart object you can't erase. However, you can use the pencil. You can use the layer mask by clicking that icon, and then it's not I have my eraser tool. I should have used my my brush tool. Okay, shortcut for B, and to make it bigger you can key the bracket, the lower and the upper, the left bracket and the right bracket to make it bigger. See, when you have a black foreground color, it will show the layer after the image, and maybe we could change that so that you can see the difference. Okay, into the back and foreground by pressing X. You can change this foreground color. So that's about it. Photoshop for beginner.